Welcome to the Furniture Mall of Kansas Tips and Tricks. I'm Sarah Williams, visual storyteller, and today we're talking about fireplace mantels. For those of you who don't like to be too traditional or tied down to a certain look, we're going to mix it up for you. We're going to take this focal piece and go off center. I'm going to start over here on the left and then build from there. I've taken the greens, the lush greens we had in the first arrangement and added a couple pops of color. The awesome protea with all of its great texture next to the peony blossom makes for a really nice look. I did change out the vase just to mix it up, make it interesting. What I like about keeping these two together is it creates a focal point. If I had moved this to another side, your eye wouldn't know where to go first. So we're going to make it really easy and calming and keep the focal pieces together. Next, let's add some different candlesticks. I love that the tapered look is coming back. They add just a really simple, minimal vibe to a mantle. And they don't have to match. In fact, I like it better when they don't. It creates more of the storied look. And then we'll just add one finishing piece. We have this great white origami vase that I'll just plop some great little curly greens into. Really nice organic touch. When you step back, it feels complete, even though you don't have everything centered and symmetrical. And there you have a couple options for the modern eclectic. Have fun with it and let it be an expression of your creative spirit.